This is the Silhouette Box that I've been working on. It is motion activated, as you can see, with the PIR sensor. We have Billings, which is a town that I'm in. This is the Billings Skyline that I cut out with a Dremel. Some 1/4-inch plywood. I use the WS2812 modules to create the light and light cycle. I only used 4 of them because 8 just drained the batteries too fast. I have rechargeable batteries with recharger. Painted some clouds on the back there because Montana is big sky country. Just cycles red, white, and blue for now. You could program virtually any color to cycle though. I don't have any timer or anything on it yet. Just my prototype. I can almost do any skyline, any city, any colors, any like team or anything like that if I wanted to. This was just thrown together to see if it could be done, and it sure can. Pretty happy. So this is the night version, so the night light. The silhouette portion comes a little more apparent. So it doubles as a night light as well.